To attach the rear bag to the lawnmower, simply lift up the back flap and attach the bag by placing the hooks over the steel rod. Lower the flap and you're good to go. The lawnmower also comes with a stopper that slides into the back of the lawnmower for if you're using the side chute instead of the bag. Like everything else on the lawnmower, the side chute is very easy to attach. Just lift up the side flap and the chute hooks right in. To start the lawnmower, push the yellow primer button 2 or 3 times. Then, while holding down the engine brake lever, pull the cord. It may take a few tries before the lawnmower starts. To enable self-propelled motion, simply hold down the bottom lever. If it doesn't enable or the movement seems jerky, try tightening the line attached to the lever. To turn off the lawnmower, just release the engine brake lever and the motor will stop.